आप देख रहे हैं इस वाई लाइव न्यूज। ठाणे में पेड़ों की छंटाई के दौरान 45 पक्षियों की मौत। घोड़बंदर के आनंद नगर क्षेत्र में स्थित ऋतु एन्क्लेव हाउसिंग सोसाइटी के पास की सड़क पर एक निजी ठेकेदार ने पेड़ों की शाखाएं काटते समय पेड़ों पर बने पक्षियों के घोंसले नीचे गिरा दिए, जिससे 45 पक्षियों की मौत हो गई। कुछ घोंसलों में मौजूद अंडे भी नीचे गिरकर फूट गए। वहीं घायल अवस्था में पाए गए 28 पक्षियों और उनके बच्चों को पक्षी प्रेमियों ने बचा लिया। इन पक्षियों में कबूतर, कौआ, बगुला और चील का समावेश है। ठाणे से यूसुफपुरी की रिपोर्ट।
I am Roshan Thakur from MyPal Club Foundation. Also, we have WWA with us for the rescue. This morning, we got a call from Rutu Enclave, Anand Nagar. The residents told us that the tree trimming is going on, and because of that, we are losing some birds from there. We are losing some nests from the trees. So we reached the location and we saw that you can saw here we have many dead birds which has breed of lesser egrets and the
Paul Heron.
pond herons. We also have rescued around 17 to 20 live, but they are injured. They are under observation. They are at veterinary clinic for the treatment. So this thing which is going on here, it's very shameful. Like even the person who are cutting the tree, like they literally what they did, they picked up the body and they throw it that
Gunny bag.
handbag, and there was literally there was a body inside the nalas. Like they were trying to hide the bodies and the clues because the knobs which says if there is a nest on the tree kabar, that you should not touch that tree or you should remove or relocate that nest. But the society has not taken any responsibility. They have done only one thing. They have chopped all the trees without seeing any life, without seeing any home or house or life. They just chop, and it's very sad thing. This is
How many trees have been trimming or chopped?
11, around 11 trees. 11. So basically, this comes under sorry. So these birds come under Schedule 2 Part B, so which comes under Wildlife Act 1972. For that, the Forest Department has been taken all the legal actions. Right now, the paperwork is going on out there. Other legal things, they will take the action against the society.